Hey everybody, this is Dr. Sean Patterson, and I just have something really quick to share with you. I created something called Club Body Restore, and what Club Body Restore is going to be, or is a set of coaching and information and actual products that we're going to deliver to your door that help you kind of navigate through the health and wellness world. The reality is 90% of what I say in my office I can communicate to you online through telephone calls and through product samples, and I want you guys to really get a feel for what's baloney and what's really going to increase your health. Our major topics are going to be detoxification, stress hormone balance, and metabolism. And let's face it, with a $100 billion weight loss industry and a health industry that's failing us, you guys got to know the truth about what works for your body. Everything I'm going to talk about is clinically tested in my private practice, and it's just a great way for people who either live too far away or for other reasons can't come see me in my office. It's just going to be a way to give them what they need. So stay tuned. In the next few days you're going to get a few more introductions about Club Body Restore and how much it will cost and when it will be available and how many people I'm allowed to take on there before we max out our fulfillment. So stay tuned and keep your eyes open for Club Body Restore. Thanks so much.